ఏపీ తెలంగాణ జల వివాదాలపై అపెక్స్ కౌన్సిల్ సమావేశం ముగిసిన తరువాత కేంద్ర జలశక్తి మంత్రి గజేంద్ర సింగ్ షెకావత్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
was set up by the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 and Union Minister of Jal Shakti, then Union Minister of Water Resources, was declared a chairman, and the both chief ministers of both the states were appointed as members in the council. The Apex Council is mandated to approve any new project planned by both the states on the river Godavari and Krishna, to supervise the functioning of Godavari and Krishna management boards, and the third is to resolve any dispute arising out of sharing of waters between both the states. The first meeting of Apex Council was held in the year 2016, and the second meeting after a considerable period, it has been organized today. And I must thank both the chief ministers. They attended meeting through VC, and in the second meeting we have capped 4 agenda items. Firstly, I am glad to say that we were able to bring both the states having differences on the water sharing, the management of the shared dams. We sat together after a long period, we deliberated at length, we tried to understand the issues of both the states, their stands, and we have discussed at length, and we have listened both the states, their viewpoints. And today as we capped 4 agenda items for the meeting. The first agenda item was that to deliberate upon is to decide the jurisdiction of both Godavari River Management Board and the Krishna River Management Board. After 6 years, this could not be notified because of the states were not having consensus. The second agenda item, which was decided, was the submission of DPRs and the submission of DPR. The second agenda item was submission of DPRs of new projects designed and desired to be developed by both the states. Third agenda item, which was supposed to be which was to be deliberated, was establishing a mechanism for the share of Krishna and Godavari rivers between the states. And the fourth agenda item, which was to be discussed, was the relocation of Krishna River Management Board from present location. Its present location is in Hyderabad, from Hyderabad to in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So all the 4 agenda items we have discussed at length, and I am so glad that after having discussions on all the issues, we were almost at consensus among the states. We were able to make consensus. The first decision which was taken today was Center will go ahead with notifying the jurisdiction of both KRMB and GRMB. Though Telangana CM dissented on this, but as per the APRA Act 2014, no consensus is needed. Hence, Center will notify, and this has been informed to the Chief Minister during the meeting, and he also have desired then you can go ahead. The second was that both Chief Ministers have agreed to submit DPRs of all the new projects taken up by their respective states. Honorable myself have assured that the technical appraisal of all the projects will be done in the shortest possible timeline. With regard of sharing of river waters between both the states, in both the Godavari and Krishna rivers, CM of Telangana agreed case they filed in Supreme Court, and they have consented that they will send the consent of withdrawing by tomorrow only. They filed in the Supreme Court, and the center enabled center to move forward on referring the water sharing issues to the tribunal under section 3 of ISRWD Act of 1956 after taking due legal opinion. The fourth agenda item, which was concluded as with regards of sharing of river Godavari waters between both the states were asked to send the request to center so that that center can move forward to refer the tribunal under section 3 of Interstate River Dispute Act 1956. Telangana CM said that he would send the request to center in a day. And the fifth item, the relocation of KRMB board, which has been agreed by both the states. So what I feel is, and I happily wish to share with all of you, that the very productive meeting with the of the Apex Council was held today. We had discussed at length, and all of us were on the same page, that ultimately we will have to, as a elected government, it is our duty to serve the people in rightful and legitimate manner. Thank you.
What is the mechanism we are going to constitute to share water between the states?
That is to be decided by tribunal and implemented by the boards. That the water share between the states are to be decided by the tribunal. Naturally project wise, and that is to be implemented by the relevant board, and we have to empower. I have requested both the chief ministers to empower the board so that these operation and maintenance related issues doesn't arise.
What about Rayalaseema?
I think I have asked you that these are the 4 points which we have discussed. Not apart from these, any new project, if any state, either of the state, they take it, they will have to comply with all the statutory compliances and the procedures. Let others speak, yeah.
You will refer to new prison or you will refer to old?
That I have already told you, that after having legal opinion whether this existing tribunal can be given TOR or a new tribunal is required to set up, we will take the decision.
Sir, तेलंगाना को कृष्णा रिवर में 578 TMC मिलना चाहिए, पर फिलहाल 299 दे रहे हैं. इसके लिए सम्मत है वो मुख्यमंत्री केसीआर आपसे बात किया?
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये विषय आज की मीटिंग का नहीं था, इसके लिए इसके ऊपर बात नहीं करना चाहिए.
Sir, Government of Telangana is asking for operational control for Srisailam projects.
See, operation and control, as per the act, is to be done by the respective board, and we have decided to notify. And after notifying, these control are to be primarily to be looked after by the relevant boards.
With regard to Godavari water distribution, sir, are you going to constitute?
Both the states, if they, as they have agreed upon and they have sent that they will send a proposal, certainly will consider.
Godavari board office किधर होता है सर? हैदराबाद.
जिधर होता है उधर ही रहेगा, इसको नहीं बदलेंगे. एक्ट में नहीं लिखा हुआ है बदलने का.
Sir, recently Andhra CM met you regarding the Polavaram funds. He wants to expedite the release of the funds because they want to complete the project.
See, Polavaram project पर the money what we gives is on reimbursement mode. Whatever bills they have submitted, we have already cleared. We also wish, being a national project and a commitment of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, that this project should be completed in the shortest span. They have to increase the speed of work, and whenever they will submit bill, we will certainly do it positively in the shortest time.
Are you going to visit the project, sir?
Certainly, I must go. I should go. Because of the COVID, I could not go, but I am planning to go in the end of this month or in the beginning of next month.
Are you confident that all issues will be sorted out and will be resolved permanently, completely?
See, I should not say because I am not a god, but all the issues, because issues will remain always. But what I feel is, if we sit regularly and periodically, the issues are not piled up. So we have resolved today that the Apex Council meeting should be. I have proposed, and I am thankful to both the chief ministers, that this meeting of this council should be organized at least once a year.
Sir, Andhra CM wants Godavari and Kaveri linkage. So is there any plan?
See, that was not the point to be discussed today, so I must not speak. उसके लिए अलग से बात करेंगे.
Sir, when will you constitute permanent water dispute tribunal? Already you have passed the bills in
So that is still to be passed by the Rajya Sabha. Let the Rajya Sabha pass it and then it automatically it will be there.
2015 में कृष्णा वाटर ने अपना जजमेंट दिया, वो अभी तक नोटिफाई
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे कर रखा है।
है, तो उसी के बारे में
सर
जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का स्टे पे मुझे बोलना चाहिए क्या?
सर ये रायलसीमा लिफ्ट इरिगेशन के बारे में कुछ कंप्लेंट किया कि आप मुख्यमंत्री
दोनों राज्यों ने अपने अपने सामने के प्रोजेक्ट्स पे कंप्लेन किया। उन्होंने उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए किया, उन्होंने उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए। मैंने उनको कहा कि ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि हम अपने को ठीक माने, अपनी गलती को, और दूसरे की गलती को देखें। हमको जो है दोनों को एक दूसरे का के विषय में देखने के बजाय पहले अपने घर में देखना चाहिए। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।